Okay, students, so let us start today's class. So in today's class, I will actually do the revision of the chapters which will come in your this periodic exam. Okay, so lesson number 7, Introduction to Algebra. Lesson number 8, Equations, and lesson number 9, Ratio, Proportion, and in the part of Geometry 10.1 will come. Okay, so the first chapter, which is Introduction to Algebra. So let us start 7.1. Okay. In the first video, I will discuss about the exercise 7. So 7.1, you should write. The first one is write algebraic expression for the following. So in this case, actually, statement will given to you. Some statement will given to you. You have to write the algebraic expression of that given statement. Suppose first one is 23 more than a number. So exercise 7.1, first question, the revision of first question. Okay. So suppose in this case, we have to write the algebraic expression of the given statement. Suppose first one is 23 more than a number. So statement is given 23 more than a number. Okay. So 23 more than a number. You have to write algebraic expression. So in this type of question, mark will be 1. Okay. So solution. In this case, 23 more than a number. A number is not known to us. Okay. So you have to just let the number be x. Okay. After that, 23 more than a number. That means expression will be what? You can write algebraic equation which is x plus 23, or you can write x plus 23 more than a number. More than means plus. Okay, so this type of question will ask in your exam. Suppose one is 7 times, look at the question number 8. 7 times a number is added to 4 times another number. Okay, 7 times a number, you have to add to 4 times of another number. So that means there are two numbers. So let the two numbers be x and y, suppose. Or let the first number be x, second number be y. And expression will be what? It is given that 7 times a number, that means 7 into x, added, that means plus, which means 4 times the other number, which is 4y. Okay, clear? Now again, question number 2, form all the possible expression using a and b. It is given that you have to write all possible cases expression using a and b. So a and b, that means a plus b, you can write a minus b, you can write a into b, you can write a divided b, you can write b divided a, you can write again b minus a, you can write a plus b, and b plus is same actually. Okay, if you write then it's also correct, but a minus b and b minus a is different. Again, a divided by b, b divided by is different. Again, a into b and b into a are same. You can write the both, or if you write one thing, then it will be also correct. Okay, so this type of question may become. Okay, so the main thing is 7.2 and 3. 7.3 is what? Okay, again, next part I will discuss exercise 7.2. 7.2 is again statements is given. You have to write the expression. Okay, suppose look at this one. Exercise 7.2. First one, the section A of class 6 has 4 students more than section B. Section C has 6 students less than section B. If section B has X students, so number of students this thing is given. Student in section B is given that X. Okay, according to question, which thing is given that section A has 4 students more than section B. 4 students more than section B, that means x plus 4. Okay, Again, another thing is given that section C has 6 students less than section B. That means x minus 6. So this type of things may become, okay. So 7.2 is also very easy. You just have to write the expression, okay. So now come to the exercise 7.3. Okay, so in this case, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and coefficient, that type of things you have to know. Okay. Suppose there is only one term, then it is known as monomial. So exercise 7.3. All of you know that all the things x, y, z, that is all the given expression are in the form of polynomials. Okay. So in case of polynomials, if the terms are 1, the number of terms is 1, then it will be a monomial. Suppose this one x, 3y, 4x squared, this type of terms are monomial. One thing you always remember, that terms are separated by plus and minus symbol. Suppose there is symbol 2x plus y, then there will be two terms. One is 2x, one is y, and it is known as binomial. Okay. If there are two terms, that means binomial, and these all the things are monomial. Why monomial? Because in this case terms are 1. Okay, maybe two numbers, 4 and x squared, x, 3 and y, but they are multiplying each other. Okay, suppose you write x, y, z, x into y into z. There are 3 alphabet x, y, z, but it is considered as a one term because all the things are multiplied with each other. That means this one is monomial. And suppose there are 3 terms. Suppose x plus y plus z. 3 terms because they are separated by plus symbol. Suppose x minus y minus z. Again 3 terms. Then this type is known as trinomial. Trinomials. Okay. This type of question will definitely ask in your exam. Okay. So next one is a coefficient. Coefficient. Okay. Very important thing. And there are 2 types of coefficient: numerical coefficient and alphabetical coefficient. Okay. Suppose this one 3x squared. That x, y, z, these are known as variable, and in front of variable, suppose there is a number, and this is known as numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. Okay. Clear? Anything in front of or in with variable. Suppose this one 5xyz. In this case, numerical coefficient is this one 5. Okay. Again, suppose px, then this one will be alphabetical coefficient because this is not number. Again, this is with a variable. That means this is a coefficient, but it will be alphabetical coefficient. Okay. So 7.3 also very important. And 7.4, the main important exercise is 7.4. In the unit 7, main exercise will be 7.4. Okay, in the next video I will solve the question number related to 7.4. Okay.